Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to staying fit, healthy, and forever young. Today we have an eye-opening topic that will leave you wondering if your fitness routine is secretly sabotaging your body after the big 30. So grab your mat and get ready because we're about to reveal the 7 fitness habits that could be destroying your body after 30. Did you know that your beloved gym routine could be doing more harm than good? Stay tuned to find out the shocking truth. Number 1. Ignoring proper warm-ups. First things first, let's talk about warm-ups. We all know they're essential, but are you guilty of skipping them? Turns out neglecting proper warm-ups can lead to increased risk of injuries, strained muscles, and even long-term damage. So before you hit that treadmill like a cheetah, take a few extra minutes to get those joints and muscles ready for action. Did you know that warming up before exercise has numerous benefits? Not only does it increase your body's core temperature and enhance blood flow to your muscles, but it also improves joint mobility and flexibility. By neglecting warm-ups, you're essentially throwing caution to the wind and inviting potential injuries to crash your fitness party. Number 2. Overdoing high-impact workouts. Raise your hand if you're a fan of high-intensity workouts. Well, they can be great for burning calories, but as we age, our joints become less forgiving. Excessive high-impact exercises like intense jumping jacks or pounding on the pavement can take a toll on our knees, hips, and lower back. Remember, moderation is key. It's true that high-intensity workouts can deliver fantastic results, but pushing yourself beyond your limits without considering the long-term consequences is a recipe for disaster. You might feel invincible in your 20s, but once you cross that magical threshold into your 30s, your body starts sending you messages that it's time to dial it down a notch. The key here is to find a balance between challenging yourself and respecting your body's limits. Incorporate exercises such as swimming, walk in the park, or using an elliptical machine to give your joints a break while still working up a sweat. And if you can't resist those high-intensity workouts, make sure to incorporate enough rest and recovery days into your routine to allow your body to heal and rebuild. Number 3. Neglecting strength training. Who here loves lifting weights? Strength training is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. But surprisingly, many people shy away from it, fearing they'll end up looking like Hulk. Strength training can help improve bone density, posture, and overall strength. So grab those dumbbells and let's get pumping. Strength training is not just for bodybuilders or those seeking massive gains. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, which can lead to decreased strength, mobility, and even an increased risk of injury. Incorporating regular strength training exercises into your fitness routine can help combat these effects and keep you strong and functional as you get older. Don't be afraid to lift weights. Strength training doesn't mean you'll suddenly bulk up and become unrecognizable. It's about building lean muscle mass and maintaining a healthy body composition. Start with lighter weights and focus on proper form and technique. Gradually increase the resistance as you become more comfortable and confident. Before we dive into the next habit, please like the video and subscribe. It will help the channel a lot. Number 4. Lack of recovery time. We're all about the grind, but listen up, fitness warriors. Overtraining and not giving your body enough time to recover can lead to fatigue, decreased immune function, and increased risk of injuries. Remember, rest is just as important as exercise. Treat yourself to some well-deserved R&R and let those muscles rebuild themselves. Rest and recovery are often underestimated aspects of any fitness journey. Pushing yourself too hard without allowing your body the necessary time to recover can have detrimental effects on your overall well-being. It's during periods of rest that your muscles repair and grow stronger, making it an essential component of any successful fitness routine. Listen to your body's cues and give yourself permission to take rest days. This doesn't mean you have to spend the entire day on the couch, but rather engage in activities that promote active recovery, such as walk in nature. By striking a balance between pushing yourself during workouts and allowing ample recovery time, you'll optimize your progress and minimize the risk of burnout or overuse injuries. Number 5. Skipping stretching. Flexibility is often the forgotten stepchild of fitness, but it's essential, especially as we age. Skipping stretching can result in tight muscles, limited range of motion, and increased susceptibility to injuries. So don't be a rubber band that lost its elasticity. Incorporate some stretching exercises into your routine and keep those muscles supple and happy. Stretching is like giving your muscles a breath of fresh air. It not only improves flexibility and joint mobility, but also enhances blood flow and circulation, reducing muscle soreness and promoting better recovery. Plus, who doesn't want to maintain that youthful ability to touch their toes without feeling like they're about to snap in half? Make stretching a habit before and after your workouts. Begin with dynamic stretches to warm up your muscles, such as arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Then, incorporate static stretches, holding each position for approximately 30 seconds to a minute. Focus on major muscle groups like the calves, hamstrings, quadriceps, chest, and shoulders. By giving stretching the attention it deserves, you'll not only prevent muscle imbalances and postural issues, but also enhance your overall performance and reduce the risk of injuries. Number 6. Neglecting proper nutrition. You can't out-exercise a bad diet, my friends. No matter how hard you work at the gym, if you're not fueling your body with the right nutrients, you're sabotaging your own progress. After 30, our metabolism slows down, and we need to pay extra attention to our nutritional needs. So, put down that bag of chips and reach for some wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. Your body will thank you. Proper nutrition is the foundation upon which your fitness goals are built. While physical activity is essential, it represents just a single component of the entire picture. Neglecting your dietary choices can hinder your progress, lead to low energy levels, and make it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Focus on the basics and consume variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. It is important to maintain proper hydration by regularly consuming fluids, and it is equally essential to be mindful of portion sizes when eating. Incorporate nutrient-rich foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your body's needs. Remember, it's not about strict diets or depriving yourself of your favorite treats. It's about finding a sustainable approach to eating that nourishes your body and fuels your workouts. Seek guidance from a registered dietitian or nutritionist to create a personalized plan that aligns with your fitness goals. Number 7. Neglecting rest and sleep. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the importance of rest and sleep. Burning the candle at both ends might seem cool in your 20s, but as you enter your 30s and beyond, your body craves quality rest and sleep to recover and rejuvenate. Lack of sleep can affect your cognitive function and mood, and even hinder your progress in the gym. So put on your favorite PJs and get cozy because beauty sleep is real, my friends. The magical power of sleep. It's during those blissful hours of shut-eye that our bodies repair tissues, regulate hormones, and consolidate memories. Skimping on sleep not only leaves you feeling groggy and irritable, but also interferes with your body's ability to recover and adapt to exercise. Make sleep a priority by establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a calming bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment. Strive to achieve a consistent and uninterrupted sleep duration of 7 to 8 hours each night. Avoid electronic devices and stimulating activities before bed to promote a restful night's sleep. By making these small but significant changes, you'll be on your way to a healthier, more vibrant you. Take care of your body, listen to its needs, and respect its limits. Fitness is a lifelong journey, and by adopting these habits, you'll be setting yourself up for success in the long run. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to consult with a healthcare professional or certified fitness trainer before making any drastic changes to your exercise or diet routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. And always remember, fitness is not just about looking good, but also about feeling good and living your best life. Keep pushing, stay dedicated, and enjoy the incredible journey towards a healthier and happier you. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which of these habits you're guilty of. Until next time, keep those muscles pumped.